Hey guys, today I'm checking out this really nice computer backpack that I received for reviewing purposes. And I think it is perfect because it has many different spaces where to place anything that you need. As you can see, it's quite spacious. It has a really interesting and modern design that I think that it's going to be perfect for everyday use. Okay, I'm going to take this off first of all. As you can see, in here we have a USB A and Type-C ports, so you can connect your devices to it, and you can have a space for your computer and everything. Okay, you can have this side pocket in here for anything that you need. Okay, this larger one that is meant for your computer. As you can see, have different spaces. In here you can place your charger and everything, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's open this other one up. As you can see, side one, quite spacious one. That will be the bag where I will place all my kind of pencils, stuff like that. Another side bag, and in here we have the main space. Okay, as you can see, we have these Velcro straps in here with another zipper in here, which I think is perfect. Okay, you can place any kind of notebooks and everything that you need in here. As you can see, in here is the USB cable that I'm gonna use with my power bank. Okay, in this case, you just have to place your battery pack like that and just connect. That way, once that I want to use it, I can use the USB Type-C and the USB-A charging ports. Okay, checking that it's really nice. And let me place everything inside, so let's see how it fits and how it looks once that it's ready. Okay. This business laptop backpack, it's water resistant, lightweight, and it's a travel ready companion that is designed for school, work, and everyday life. It's built to fit a laptop up to 15.6 inches, and it combines durability, security, and comfort in just one sleek design. As it includes a built-in USB charging port with an internal cable, it lets you charge your phone conveniently without needing to open the bag by just having to connect it. It has a hidden back pocket to protect your wallet, passport, or even your phone, and inside it has a shockproof belt that keeps your laptop and your tablet secure, while it has some EVA padding on the back to add an extra layer of protection. And despite its lightweight build, this backpack offers a 25-liter capacity with a smart pocket layout. You'll find a scratch-resistant top pocket, dual side pockets, a shoulder strap card pocket, and dedicated compartments for your laptop, tablet, and daily essentials. It's crafted with a high-quality Oxford cloth, and the bag is subset water and wear resistant, and it's designed with a breathable mesh straps and a padded back support for a more comfortable feel. And for added convenience, it has a luggage strap on the back that lets you secure the backpack to your suitcase handle, making the airport travel easier and freeing up your hands. Okay, so it's really nice. I love the small size, and I think that it's perfect that it comes with the port in here, so you can just connect your cell phone when you are outside if you want it. Which I think that it's really nice having your battery all charged up. As you can see, it's quite compact, which I think that it's perfect. You can take it with you wherever you need it, and I think that it's nice. Even so, in here you got a space so you can place some coins or anything that you need like that, and in here you can hang anything, like in this case some glasses or stuff like that, which I think that it's really nice. Overall, I think that it's great. It looks quite nice, and I think that it's perfect to take it with you wherever you need it, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.